Okay, students. Today we will see the program number 7. In the last class, we finished program number 6. Okay. So as we know how to run the program, so step number 1, you have to go to onwards.com. After that, a new window will open. Okay, like this. Okay. First, I will run the program, then I will explain small working so that you can get an idea how the program, what is inside the program. Okay, so this is the onwards. Here, go to Mozilla. Here, type EASY easy upload.io slash 253x64. It is not opening. Okay, download this file. Here you have to go to program number 7. In 7 we have two program. Okay, 7.1 and 7.2. Go here, terminal. Here October. What is student? I forget what I have to write here. Uh, G. What is that command? Students. Uh, what is the command to make a new? Malaf. I think G. No, sorry.
Get IT.
Yes, yes. Gedit بعدين file اسم اليوم program 7. So program 7 point 7 واحد dot c. جديد window open in the جديد window. Paste the برنامج. Now check the برنامج. This line okay. This okay. This 128 माफी हिना. This 128 lazim in this line. Okay. This line okay. The error void 5 def. This line okay. And lazim huna. This long character. This all okay. Int. This all okay. If if okay. This line also no problem. Get message die. Okay. Bagi some line. I think this exit. Now save, close. But then go to terminal. Here uktub refresh. A uh, what is the command? GCC space P71.c slash then dash O dash O space, let's say P71. Line number 20, line number 40. Okay, line number 20, line number 20. هذا هنا line number 20 long and text. Okay, this هنا ختم. Line number 20 and line number 40. 40, 37. This is 40. 40. Okay. Okay, this logic and this. Now save this, close, again run. This is line number 18 and line number 38. Line number 18, line 18, maybe 17, this 18, line number character, and line number this one, then sister subwoofer 1, printf scanner, picture, this, this, also show error, save, close. Line number 18, percent, line number 36. This is line, here it is in error. Let's save it. This is percent and close. Now Bagi, okay, again. Format person accept argument of type int, but argument 3 has type long int. Okay. 1 percent D, percent D, percent D. Okay, I will give you output. No, 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 no. We will wait for maybe some error in the program. Or directly, if I write, for example, because this is message sending program, if directly I will write p
دكتور
dot a slash
program is
dot
7.1 only.
yes 7
No
point
7.
one 7.2 to program.
Okay.
No, I have to run the button. You all student also you can run on your computer. Okay, maybe you will find some error. 36. And this is 33. This is 36. Okay, this is not accepted. Yes. Please. Again. Okay, I think this program has no problem. Go with program number 8. GEDIT program 8.1. Say now. Save and close. Open मतलब here cc p8.y file format. Okay. GCC p8.y dash o user slash bin it इतना file format not होगा treating as a linker script syntax error. Okay, it is assuming. Wait, what the problem is? This is the malaf. Okay, control A, control C. Lazim dot C. Using the open save close closing. Then go for now it is running. Okay, students. Now program number 8. What you have to do is step number 1. Step number 1. Here Uktub G edit 8.1 or you can say uh, put 8 Wahid dot C. Delete window open. Enough. Copy the full code from the kitab. Save. Then close. Okay. Here go to CC. Malaf ism is pa.c. Okay. So it is running. Now after that you have to type dot slash a dot out. Okay. Now it is asking enter the total memory available. For example, you will write 1500. Yani the memory space available in your computer is 1500. Now it is asking how many process you want to allocate for process number 1. Let's say for process number 1 we will give how many? Let's say we will give 500. Next he will ask memory allocated. Yani for process number 1 he allocated the memory. Now if we want to allocate another, then we will type yes. If no, then no. Then we want to, because we want to allocate new one, we will type y. Then let's say we give 500. After that again we want to type, let's say again we given 500. Again we want, again we given 500. Yani we have, Shufina, when we type for process number arba 500, automatically it is showing memory is full because the space is available space is 1500 only, and already we allocate to talata process 500 500. So that's why it is showing memory full. Yani the meaning is the program is asking from you how many memory you have. Based on that it is allocating the process the memory. If the memory full, it is showing you the memory is full. Okay. Show at the last total memory allocated 1500. Okay, and hina process number 1, process number 2, process number 3. So this is the program number 1. In exam, how question? In exam, mumkin question. Uktub the barnami. Wait. Okay. Now here a dot. Okay. In exam, we will give you like uktub the barnami to allocate the memory. Total memory available is itne null. Oh, sorry, yani 200, let's say. Okay, and you have to allocate for process number 1, let's say you have to allocate 70. After that, for another one you have to allocate 50. For another one you have to allocate 100, and you have to show if memory is full walla mafi, and if any space remaining or no. So for example, process number Wahid 70 is stored, 50 already stored. In the third step, we typed 100. 100 mafia allocate because the memory is full. So that's why in exam we will ask you this one. How many memory allocated and how many memory bagi? This thing we will ask you. Yani uktub the barnami and we will give value. Based on the value you have to calculate the memory allocated, yani this itne thing you have to calculate. Understand students? Any question up to here? In exam we will give you like you have to write the barnami to allocate the memory. We will give you like process number 1 memory this, process number 2 memory this. So you will uktub the barnami to calculate the memory allocated and external fragmentation.
يعني نفسه بروجرام.
Nafso program but value change bas at in question. And you will type same value. For example, like the Tur Kalam process 170, you will type in question in output 70. Process number 2 50, uktub 50. Process number
اوكي
3 question paper मौजूद 100, uktub 100 hina. At last, this is the result of the Barnami. You will uktub this result in the output.
اوكي.
Okay. Okay, I think now we have. Okay, students, now we have here another program. This is 8 point Wahid, and next is 8 point Itne. Okay, this is 8 point Itne. This is also a very important program. Same GEDIT P8 Itne.c. Jadid window open, copy, baden bagi control C, save, close this. Up hina CC hina uktub CC maafi GCC P82.c, enter. More khata, then we will show Barnami again. Okay, the error is, where is the error? Where is the error? We will show line by line. Okay, so we have to see if any error in the Barnami. This also okay, this okay, this okay, this also okay. This one internal fragmentation. This lazim, you know. After that, This also okay. Printer T I0 P plus plus Bagi Ataki and then Bagi. Line is P RINT F bracket name, or directly we will copy from this here is total memory fragmented memory for memory allocation total internal total external. Right. This is the now you will type same CC. Okay, now no error. Here also in question, like for example, here you have to run with program dot slash a dot oh, dot slash a dot. Okay, now he is asking for the memory, total memory. Let's say same I will type 1500. Okay, after that enter the size, block size. Let's say block size we will look to 500 size of the block. Enter the number of process. Let's say we have arba process. Process number one, how many you will give? Let's say for process number one we will give 300. Process number two we will give 800. Process number three we will give, let's say, 500. Process number four we will give 900. Okay, yani the meaning is we have to write how many memory available, what is the size of the block. Okay, after that how many process. Then now the computer program will see show you it is allocated or no. For example, this 300 is allocated because we uktub size is 500, so less than 500 no problem, so show 300 allocated, 500 also allocated, but 800 mafi allocated because it is kabir than 500. 900 also mafi allocated because it is also kabir than 500. Another thing, when 300 allocated, size 500 बागी कम इतने यानी 200, so हिना internal fragmentation यानी 200. So यानी in the exam we will give this value, total memory how much, block size how much, okay, and how many process and what is the this size. Based on this you have to calculate this total internal fragmentation and total external fragmentation. Yani I need this output. In exam only I will change the value, like in exam we will give itne null and size of the block, let's say 40. Okay, Okay, students. So this is the program for 8.2. Now tell me, any students having any problem in this?